Elizabeth, do you like those toes? Yeah? Do you like those toes? Toes. Toes. Oh. And now you're playing with the one tooth you have. You rub your tongue against it. Get those toes. Get those toes. You make Mommy laugh. Yes. You love to rub your tongue against that little tooth on the bottom, don't you?